Once the estimating department have created the estimate, they can then send a follow-up inquiry to the salesperson to follow up the quote. Here we have a list of follow-up quote inquiries with a due date. The salesperson can select and open up the inquiry. They can click on the Documents tab, preview the quote letter. If they have permissions, they can go to the Estimates tab, open up the estimates, click on the summary, and here they can view the estimated costs and make any pricing decisions. The quoted price can be amended, and you will see the effect on the value added and contribution. If the customer agrees to proceed, we can enter the delivery date and order number on the Job tab, and then click on the Create Job button. At this point, the default milestone profile will be displayed. The milestone is basically the critical path of the order, and this can be amended if you have more than one profile. You can deselect any event or manual milestone highlighted in green, and if you have any attachments linked with the initial inquiry, you can click to copy or create a link to the attachments on the job. If we click on OK, the job milestones are created and the selected attachments are copied to the job. At this point, more tabs become available, including the Purchase and Stock tab. If we click on the Stock tab, you can see the stock is highlighted in green to indicate that we have stock, and if it's highlighted in red, it means stock needs to be ordered. You can click on the Milestone View option on the ribbon toolbar or on the Milestone tab to view the milestones created against the job. Milestones are a great way of seeing exactly where a job is. As proofs are approved and the materials received, the relevant milestones are automatically updated. From here, we can then click on the Documents tab, and if we preview the works order, the works orders are user definable, which means that you can print the information in the format that you require. If the customer has emailed any additional items regarding the job, you can click and drag onto the drop icon. Here we have a purchase order, and we can click and drag to update the information onto our job. Once a job is created, it can be set to be automatically updated into our production planning software. The real advantage of using the Milestones module is that they can be set to be visible on the job selector. You can click and drag the columns into the positions required. The columns will show the milestone name together with the status and the background colours. Here we have green, which means the milestones are on time, blue for complete, and red for late, and no colour means that there are no dates to compare.